Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a warning that can freak out even experienced drivers, the transmission warning light. If this light has popped up on your dashboard, don't panic. In this video, I'll explain what it means, why it comes on, what you should do immediately, and how to fix the most common causes, whether you're a dyer or planning to visit a mechanic. When the transmission light pops up, you may also feel other symptoms: hard or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, RPM jumps without speed increase, shuddering or vibrating, burning smell, overheating, reduced power or limp mode. Limp mode is when your vehicle limits power to prevent further damage. 1. Low transmission fluid. The most common cause is low or dirty transmission fluid. Fluid lubricates, cools, and allows the gears to engage smoothly. If it's low, your transmission can overheat or slip. 2. Overheating transmission. Hard driving, towing, hot weather, or old fluid can make the transmission run too hot, triggering the light. 3. Faulty sensors. Modern transmissions rely on sensors: a speed sensor, temperature sensor, pressure sensors. If one fails, the computer triggers a warning. 4. Transmission slipping. Wear. Over time, internal components like clutch packs can wear down. 5. Electrical problems. Damaged wires or loose connections can also cause the transmission light to come on. Okay, if your transmission light comes on, here's what you should do. 1. Don't panic. 2. Pull over safely if the car feels strange. 3. Check your transmission fluid if your vehicle has a dipstick. 4. Let the car cool down if you suspect overheating. 5. Avoid high speeds or towing until the issue is diagnosed. 6. Use an OBD scanner to read the error codes. 1. Add or replace transmission fluid. If the fluid is low, top it up with the correct type. If it's dark or burnt, a fluid change or flush might be needed. 2. Replace faulty sensors. You may need to replace a speed sensor or temperature sensor. These are usually affordable parts, often under $50 to $100. 3. Repair wiring, connectors, corrosion, and loose plugs are cheap fixes and often overlooked. 4. Address overheating issues. Adding a transmission cooler, replacing old fluid, or checking cooling line flow may eliminate overheating. 5. Full transmission repair or rebuild. If internal components are damaged, the cost can range from $1,500 to $4,000. Not every warning light means a rebuild, but ignoring it can lead to one. You can prevent future issues by changing transmission fluid as recommended, avoiding aggressive driving, not towing more than your car can handle, checking for leaks, servicing cooling systems, using a scan tool occasionally to catch issues early. And that's everything you need to know about the transmission warning light: what it means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more car repair guides, and let me know in the comments what topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.